Hello, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Some of my friends contacted me in inbox that they are facing a problem in basics of the supply and demand, that they are not able to make a zone or finding a zone. I already made a video about this, but I have to make it again in deep. You have to remember four rules of the supply and demand, four patterns. Two are continuation, two are uh, reversals. Okay, you just have to remember these four rules. Continuation patterns of the supply and demand are rally based rally for the uptrend, drop based drop for the downtrend, and the reversal patterns are drop based rally from down to up, and rally based drop from down to up to down. Okay, remember one thing, that finding a zone is not a problem, creating a zone is not a problem. Finding and creating a quality zone, tradable zone, that matters. Understand? So as far as making a zone, I have to show you how to make a zone first. Let me pick rectangle tool here. Okay, so this is a zone. Continuation, remember, continuation pattern, drop base rally. You just have to look a base. This is a base. Every candle against the pattern, every candle against the trend is called a base. This is a downtrend. Three candles are down, and this is a fail to return. This candle try to push the price to the upward, but failed. So this become drop base rally. You just have to put the rectangle tool high and the close of the candle, or you can cover a whole wick. You just make a one zone, and this is also a zone. This kind of zone, this is also a zone. Let me pick a rectangle. Let me pick a rectangle tool again. This is also a zone. This is drop base rally, reversal pattern, drop base. This is called base. In reversal, this is called base and rally. You just have to put and you just made a zone. Again, rally, base, drop. Engulfing candle is really matter in supply and demand. You just have to pick this candle, open to close. You just made a again. You just made a zone again. Creating a zone is not that hard, as you can see that. Again, so what is this? Can you guess that? Invert this area. Invert this pattern into this. This is drop base rally. This is rally base drop. Oh, sorry, rally base rally. Rally base rally. This is continuation pattern. I told you. You just have to put this down candle, cover this candle. This. Okay, again let me take the rectangle tool. Zoom it. Now you can see. What are you thinking? Drop, base, rally, drop, base, drop, sorry, drop, base, drop, downward continuation pattern, drop, base, drop. Again, you just have to put this single candle, or you can take the whole candle. If you want to get the best history reward, you just take this single candle. This single candle, you can or you can make just the whole both candle a zone. Disturb risk to reward ratio, but great. You can see that market make drop pair. Oh, shit. Market make drop, base, drop, and just made a zone here, and see what market did. Market come to retest this area and then again drop. Okay, and this is also a zone. I'll leave it for you. Euro JBB H4. So you can see I made it 5 zones for you. How to make a zone? Making a zone is not a problem. I told you before in the beginning of the video that finding a quality zone is better. Okay, you have to practice on demo at least 6 months. For that you have to if you want to be master in that, you have to practice at least 6 months on this basis. Just open demo account and make these zones and wait the price to reach your zone and enter. Check the quality of the zones. Quality zones matters. Finding a zone is not a problem. You can see. I hope your point will be cleared after this video. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.